Our learning focus today is on significant figures. So when we are speaking about significant figures, we need to really understand that. So for example, with our first number 596.36, we've got our significant figures being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 significant figures here. If we look at 5,000, it's just zeros. It's telling us it's it's 5,000, but the only significant figure we have is 5. If the zeros were on the right hand side of the decimal, then it would be part of it. So it's just one significant figure. Likewise with 0.0057, our digit that's not 0 starts in the thousands column. So that means we've got the 5 and the 7 are significant figures. So we've got 2 significant figures. Again, with 8.508, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. And we've got 5.60.0. Now we can include this 0 as a significant figure, and we've got 4. That's because it went over the decimal point. So that means these are our significant figures. So to start off, we are going to look at this question, 94.2837293. We are going to round it to 2 significant figures. So if I look at this and I think about 2 significant figures, I'm only wanting 9 and 4. So that means if I'm rounding, it will be, is it closest to 94 or 95? And the answer would be 95. Let's have a look at the next part, and it says 4 significant figures, which means it's going until the hundreds. So that means that our answer would have to, looking at the next decimal, the 3, it rounds down. So it just stays as 94.28. Finally, our last question. It is 5 significant figures. So again, we need to round it to the thousand spot this time. So in the tens of thousands spot, we've got a 7, which means we need to round up, and it becomes 94.284.